Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science student and GATE Computer Science. Here I'll be discussing another very important concept in TOC and compiler, that is how to convert context-free grammar into Chomsky normal form. Okay, so this is another, one of the normal form present here, and we have one more normal form in TOC, that is Greibach normal form. We'll be discussing later. And here I want to explain very clearly what is the conversion process. If you are given any context-free grammar, and we cannot directly convert into Chomsky normal form. Before that, you want to check whether given grammar is already simplified grammar. Then only we can directly convert to Chomsky normal form. Otherwise, you want to first convert given grammar. If it is not in simplified grammar, then you want to convert such a grammar to simplified grammar. Then only we go for what is called Chomsky normal form process conversion. So here I am checking if yes, if already simplified grammar, we can directly convert context-free grammar into Chomsky normal form. Otherwise, first you want to make a simplified grammar, then we can go for this step. Okay, I wrote in triangle fashion, so hope you got what I mean. Okay, so now what is the Chomsky normal form procedure? Okay, very simple. Whatever the protection rule in the grammar given, and we want to keep each and every protection rule as single non-terminal into two non-terminal, or otherwise single non-terminal into single terminal. Okay, this is the way I tell you again. Okay, so for example, S tends to capital A, capital B, like that. So this is for example, S tends to small a. Okay, so here single non-terminal become two non-terminal, single non-terminal become one terminal. Okay, this is the format of a conversion process. Okay, for example, if you are taking S tends to small a, capital S, small a, or small b, capital S, small b, or A or B. Okay, so here what happen is S tends to small a is already in Chomsky normal form. S tends to B is already in Chomsky normal form. Okay, the only two protection which is not in Chomsky normal form are A, S, A, which mean so you want to convert it like that, B, S, B. Okay, so here S tends to A, B already there, and for this S tends to A, S, A, so and S tends to B, S, B, already not in Chomsky normal form. Here I want to use S tends to A here. Okay, now what happened? This small a become capital A, like that this small a become capital A. In that case, what happen is S tends to capital A, capital S, capital A. Then again it have three non-terminal. For that, what you want to do here is simply you want to make S tends to this A as it is. Instead of this SA, I used another protection rule non-terminal P1. What is this P1 is nothing but P1 tends to SA, which means I am splitting SA ASA into A into SA. For that I used one non-terminal. For that non-terminal I want to use another rule. Okay, that is the idea. Okay, and like that B, S, B, small b, capital S, small b. For that I am substituting S tends to small b into capital B. So it is capital B, capital S, capital B. So again I am splitting this into B into some single non-terminal substitution, like here S tends to capital B into some other production rule is called B2, where B2 is nothing but SB. Okay, it's mean I'm splitting and make it as this one. So finally I have S tends to A into P1, where P1 is nothing but SA. So you want to substitute here like that. S tend to capital B, capital P2, so where P2 is nothing but SB, and S tends to A as it is, S tends to B as it is, then A tends to A, B tends to B we want to keep here. Okay, because in this production rule we want to substitute and make as the terminal. Okay, so this is the final converted Chomsky normal form for the given grammar. Thank you for watching.